Aye.
Aye.
One moment, please.
Okay.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Oh, hello?
One
Yes.
moment. One moment. Please mute your device.
Okay, on the HMD, Counselor Valeo. Counselor, good morning to you.
Morning, Your Honor. 1 second. I'm here on Ojo.
Okay.
I'm here. Hello?
Sir.
I'm actually here.
Sir.
Morning. All right. Good morning, everyone. Let's go ahead and open up.
The 36th District Court for the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean Perkins presiding. While you're in court, please make sure that you are well-dressed. There's no driving, no smoking, no eating, no drinking. If you need to turn off the camera, please do so to do whatever you need to because we can't see everything. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone.
All right. Thank you. All right, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Everyone, what I'm going to try to do is get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. Ms. Williams-Barr, are we ready?
Your Honor, give me 1 quick second. Let the printer finish. I'll be right back. Ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Michael Ojo, case number SP 170-28431. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Tyler Velo, P number 75702 on behalf of Michael Ojo.
Mr. Ojo, good morning. Will you state your name for the record, please?
Michael Ojo, good morning.
Good morning. I see that there's no fine has been assessed in this case. What was that all about?
Your Honor, there was no plea on this case yet. We just received discovery yesterday. We're hoping for a couple weeks so we can review that I can review that with my client.
Well, I don't know why it says it's entered in as a review. Okay.
Yeah, I wasn't sure about that either.
I'm going to set a trial date for August the 19th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good day, both of you. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
All right, thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Chillis Nathan Lambert. Case number SP 1388412. State your name for the record. Good morning to you, Mr. Lambert.
Good morning, Your Honor. Chillis Lambert.
All right, good morning to you. All right, there's the date and time set for a review. You were supposed to pay, and I don't see that you paid.
At a house fire. I've been staying at my sister's house and getting back and forth to work, been a problem. But I got the money today. I can pay it today.
All right, so you, how are you gonna do it?
Uh, is it a, I probably yesterday trying to see if there's a way I can pay online.
You pay it as you did that, you can upload the did that after your phone,
It did.
DIVDAT. I'm told you can upload that app on your phone, you can pay it, it'll go through immediately.
Can, can I put it on the iPad?
Yeah, I'm sure you can, if you upload that did that. If you pay it online, I don't think it's gonna go through very quickly.
You said it's D what?
DIVDAT. DAT, or you can go to one of the did that kiosk around the city. They're in the Myers and things like that, and CVS's and stuff.
Yeah, that mobile payment. I'm downloading it now.
All right, I'll pass the matter. You raise your hand in the chat when you're done with that, all right? I'll check it.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, he should, because he got to talk to him. Judge Elijah Gibson wants to go to his car. He wants to go to his car so he can sit on Zoom.
Just hold on, I'm about to call now.
Yeah. 8:35. You said 8:35.
Actually Gibbons, but it's with Tango. That's on white. I don't.
See Elijah Gibson. 8:35. Oh, it's Gabrielle Gibbons.
Where do you see that?
The first one, you see where it says Gabrielle Gibbons?
Oh, there we go. This is the city of Detroit versus Gabrielle Elijah Gibbons, case number SP 1727934, counts 1, counts 2. Gabrielle, appearance for the record for Gabrielle Elijah Gibbons, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Melinda Kim.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Gibbons, Your Honor.
Mr. Gibbons, I'm thinking. Mr. Gibbons, are you there?
Okay, check going on.
Can you state your name for the record, Mr. Gabrielle?
Hold on one moment, sir. I cannot hear you. Hey, how are you doing?
Can you state your name? Good morning to you.
My name is Elijah Gibbons.
All right. This today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gibbons, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Cameron. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter.
I need to be made a co-host, Judge, sorry.
Sorry, okay. You are our main co-host.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh, have any breakout? I don't have access to any breakout rooms. Oh, okay, now I do.
Anthony Gant, are you there? City of Detroit versus Anthony J. Gant. City of Detroit versus Anthony J. Gant, case number SP 1678471. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood
Tom
Berry
Zaranick.
Jr. Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gant.
Anthony Gant. He hasn't connected to audio.
All right.
Ms. Casa. Nisha Gowdy.
I'm here, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the City of Detroit versus Tanisha Gowdy, case number SP 1728787, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 172878881. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gowdy.
Anisha Gowdy.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Now, guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, I've called 4 cases into the record. The other 3 are no insurance proof, improper lane use, and expired plate. Get this updated offer. I'll enter a guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Get her an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Gowdy, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you.
This is the City of Detroit versus Angel Gaston, case number SP 1727571. Here for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Ms. Gatson, Your Honor.
Ms. Gaston, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning. My name is Angel Gaston.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Mr. Zaranick, give Ms. Gaston an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Gaston, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Gazdecki, are you there?
Yes, I am not here for banks. I can't change the name.
What is your client's name? Good morning to you.
Good morning. GubraN, I think.
Okay, that's a formal hearing.
What happens when people so what happens
I have to apologize. I don't know where my file is on that. I've been sick with 102 temperature for 5 days.
City of Detroit versus, Mukhtar Gubran, case number SP 17409071. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark Azteки, P 46289.
And Officer Sharif, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Good morning, I'm Officer Sharif, badge number 4372 from the 4th Precinct.
All right, good morning to you. Mr. Gazdecki, as it relates to your client's appearance.
May I, it's a civil infraction, Your Honor. May we waive his appearance?
You have the authority to enter your agreement on his behalf.
I have a full authority, Your Honor.
I will waive that, your client's presence. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with the officer, see if you can work it out.
Thank you. And by the way, it's nice to see you. Happy Friday.
Always good to see you. Happy Friday as well.
No.
It ain't laying right now.
Good morning, Ms. Snyder. You got them waiting on you.
Morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
Good morning. Alex, can you start your video? State your name, please.
Alexis Green.
Alexis Green. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Your Honor, can you give me one moment before we go to the next one?
Emily James, can you start your video and unmute yourself, please? Emily James.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How can we help you?
I am here for an OWI trial for Mr. George.
Are you an attorney, ma'am?
No, I was one of the responding officers.
Okay, you're an officer.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Telephone at 313-675-7441. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Juan Gordon.
Say that again.
Juan Gordon.
Juan Gordon.
Yeah.
All right, good morning to you. I'm gonna put you on mute, Mr. Gordon. You need to press *6 when I call your name, okay?
Okay.
Is it Daquan Gordon? All right.
Oh. No, no, sorry.
Are we back, Ms. Williams Long?
I'm back, Judge. We can put Mr. Givens on the docket.
Yeah, put it on the court reporter. We let Alexis and another Alexis.
I didn't see Mr. Givens or Givens on the docket.
Okay, give me a second. Alexis, can you unmute yourself and state your name?
Alexis Lim.
Alexis who?
Lim.
Lim.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay, yeah. I didn't do that.
I'm back, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Chillis, Lambert. Mr. Lambert, I did get your payment, the court did get your payment, and at this time we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Okay.
You, sir, have a very good rest of your day.
You too, Judge.
You asked me a question, you said Gibbons is not on the docket?
I didn't see it, Your Honor.
Yeah, it's Gabrielle. It's Gabrielle. It must be Gibbons Elijah. They may have written it wrong. It's at the top of the.
Oh, I see it. Yep, I got it. I'm sorry, Judge.
That's all right. All right, are we ready? Who are we ready on?
Ms. Gowdy,
Ready on him.
Who are you ready on yours, Ms. Cameron?
Yes, we'd like to set Mr.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibbons Elijah Gabrielle. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gabrielle. Mr. Gabrielle, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Go ahead.
It's Gabriel.
Gabriel, I'm sorry. I give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Cameron?
Yeah, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Gabriel.
What does he want to do?
Judge, we'd like to set this for a pretrial date for him to secure the document that he needs.
We'll just set it for a trial date.
Okay.
That will be August 19, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right, Ms. Cameron, this is Guthridge.
Yes. For Guthridge.
On to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Terrence Guthridge, case number SP 1720685, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1720731. Appearance to the record, please.
I'm Zaranick for the defendant, Your Honor.
Ms. Cameron.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Gabriel.
No, Mr. Guthridge.
Guthridge, okay.
All right. Mr. Guthridge, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Terrence Guthridge.
All right, today is date and time set for a pre-trial, Mr. Guthridge. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Cameron. She's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to the trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Are you ready on Gowdy, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass Guthridge. Let's go back on the record with Gowdy. Mr. Guthridge wanted an appointed attorney. Let's go back on the record with Gowdy. Ms. Gowdy, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer to enter a plea to failure to display for the license suspended charge and to enter a plea as charged to expired plea, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gowdy?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Draw your attention back to May 16, 20, around 4:21 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Finkel and Hartwell. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir. I was driving down Schaefer.
I'm sorry. Ms. Gowdy, I'm sorry. I don't mean to cut you off, but I do mean to cut you off. It'll be a little bit quicker if you you were operating a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You could not do so, could you, ma'am?
I could not.
And why is that?
I left my wallet at home.
Very well. Do you have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, so it wouldn't matter if you left the wallet or if you had it.
I know, but I still had an ID to show. I'm sorry.
That's all right. That's all right. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display. It'll be a $240 fine. Was the registration on that car valid, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of, as charged to the expired plates with the stipulation of probable cause. I'm gonna dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm not gonna fine you for the expired plate, ma'am, just the one fine for the failure to display. When can you pay $240?
Hopefully I'll be able to pay it next week.
Is that the date you want?
Next Friday.
Next Friday? All right. Next Friday is August the 1st already. All right, pay by August the 1st. Pay at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Very rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too.
This Marquise Gray, are you there? Marquise Gray, are you there?
Excuse me, Judge.
Good morning. Hold on a second, Mr. Governor. See, is Marquise Alexis Gray there? He's not. You got to start your camera and you have to respond, sir. Is something wrong with your audio?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Marquise Gray. Something wrong with his audio. Gant, we need to go back to Gant anyway. Let's go to City of Detroit. Did we have Gant in here? Was Gant?
Hello.
Anthony Gant.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. I don't know what brings you here. You didn't pay. City of Detroit versus Anthony J. Von Gant. Case number SP 167-84731. State your name for the record, sir.
My name is Anthony Javon Gant.
All right. You pled guilty to failure to display on 6/20/2025. You said you were going to pay the $240. The money's not here.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Anthony Gant is gone. All right. Officer James.
Yes, sir.
You have your hand raised.
The remote.
I do. I apologize. I was trying to reach back out to the attorney. I somehow got kicked out of the breakout room.
I'll pull you back in.
Thank you.
Mr. Gazdecki, are you ready on your client?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Group Run. Did you come to a resolution?
We did, Your Honor.
What is that?
The city will dismiss their case. The officer is present. We stip to probable cause.
All right, with that dismissal, case is closed out. I'll grant the motion to dismiss. There's nothing further. Have a very good day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Officer, you safe out there.
Thank you.
All right.
Judge, Officer Pickens on the phone to dismiss this Gibson Mullen matter, no recollection.
All right, Gibson Mullen. No. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's call Marcus Gray. Marcus Gray, are you answering now, sir?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Marcus Alexis Gray, case number ST 172-39031. Appearance for the record, please. That would be, yes.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gray.
Marquise Gray.
Marquise. All right, good morning to you. The day is the date and time set for
Hello.
a trial. Who's saying hello? Hold on. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Gray owes the 4 civil infractions, one of which is a no insurance proof of $336. If I don't know if he has a license yet or if he's not.
I got insurance on my car, sir.
Mr. Gray, let me speak, all right? Let me speak, and I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry when you, and you can explain everything to him, okay? All right, this is an old ticket, no insurance proof, 336, expired plates, 222, seatbelt, 126, expired plates, 174. Those are old tickets that he never did pay. Potentially would get clearances here if he doesn't have a license already to get him a valid driver's license if he paid the 336. Mr. Berry, I'm gonna put Mr. Gray in a breakout room with you, have a conversation with them, let us know what you want to do. When you come out, Mr. Gray, you have an absolute right to a trial if you don't like the offer, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
He just called, dismiss that.
Okay. All right,
Hello.
stop saying hello.
I'm sorry, sir.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaston. Ms. Gaston, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Is my understanding you want to hire your own lawyer? Is that correct?
Yes.
I'm going to set another pretrial for you for August the 15th, 2025 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Gant. Mr. Gant.
Yes, sir.
Now.
Yes, sir.
Hear me, okay? You were supposed to pay this money. What happened?
I was going through some problems with my family, you know what I'm saying? Some important problems. And I want to know if y'all put me in a payment plan. That'd be cool.
I'm gonna give you another 30 days to work this out. Put on the file, allow payment plan, August 25th, 2025. You can you hear me?
Yeah, say it one more time. My dog bark. Sorry, sir.
All right, August 25th, 2025. I mark the file, allow payment plan. Either pay it by that day or come on down to the courthouse and get into a payment plan before that date, okay?
You said today, get to the payment plan, or you say August the 25th, you say?
I need you to get into a payment plan by August 25th or pay it off before then, okay?
Yes, sir.
Come on back August 25th at 8:30 for a review. If it's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Randy Lyons.
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. How about yourself?
Very well, thank you. City of Detroit versus Randy Renee Lyons, case number SP 1719291. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah, Melissa Cameron, appearing on behalf of Ms. Lyons.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
Miss Cameron, here's how it's gonna go. Counselors, if you have someone waiting, then the next person this will be Mr. Zoranic. I don't want you to have 2 people at one time. So Mr. Zoranic, appearance for the record, please.
Adam Zoranic for Miss Lyons.
All right, Ms. Lyons, state your name for the record, please.
Brandy Renee Lyons.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for
I think she's an 8:45 show cause, Judge.
Show cause, for the purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute, Your Honor.
All right, we're in our not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lyons, Mr. Saranic is gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay,
Let us know what you wanna do when you come out, okay?
okay, no problem.
That's the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Guthridge. Mr. Guthridge, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, Guthridge.
He's supposed to have an appointed attorney. That's what he's here for today. And you haven't had an attorney contact you, sir?
No, sir. And today was supposed to be the trial date. I already had a pre-trial. I got all the documents showing from the past. And
Wait a minute. I have it set for pre-trial. I have marked the file that you asked for an appointed attorney the last time you were here. So what we do, I told you last time, if an attorney has not contacted you, then we'll get an attorney appointed to you on the spot today. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get an attorney in here right now to represent you, and we'll set the trial date. Or if you have the information that you need, the city needs to see it. They're probably not gonna just dismiss it outright. They're gonna give the opportunity to be heard.
So on this one, when it said pre-trial on July 2nd, this paper that I have right here, when I came to court last time, was this not the pre-trial date?
That was, but you asked for an appointed attorney. So we set another pre-trial date to make sure that attorney had contacted you. I don't want you to come in here with that attorney and that attorney say on the date of trial and say, I need some more time, Judge. I haven't even talked to him yet. I want you guys to talk about this first.
Okay.
That's why we set it for another pre-trial.
Okay.
I'm gonna get one in here for you right now, and it should only take one more court date, but I just wanna make sure that that attorney has time to go through everything that needs to be done to properly represent you.
Okay.
All right, let's pass it. I'm gonna get somebody in here in a few minutes, all right?
Okay.
All right, is that Mr. Spencer Grimes?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is Ms. Cameron. This is the city of Detroit versus Spencer Grimes, case number SP 1182808, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1186942, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 139639, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1482883, counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1610616, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1611260, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record, please.
Spencer Grimes.
Spencer Grimes said, yes, thank you. Judge, I only have 3 of those tickets on the docket.
Right, me too. I don't know where the rest of them are.
Are you, well, let me ask you this. Are you Spencer, what is your middle name?
Lambert Grimes. Spencer Lambert Grimes.
You don't want to be Spencer Devontae Grimes, huh?
That's my son. No.
Is it? He needs to come on in here. All right.
Yes, I've been trying to clean the stuff up.
Let's strike that from the record. Let's call City of Detroit versus Spencer Lambert Grimes, case number SP 1725782. Strike that. SP 1725783, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1726502. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Grimes.
Mr. Grimes, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Spencer Lambert Grimes.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Miss Cameron, give Mr. Grimes an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Grimes, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, Your Honor, may I ask you a question? I was supposed to pay, you had told me the last time I had the court that I was supposed to pay, $316 or $3 something like that. But, you know, I'm on a fixed income, so that's why I thought I was gonna be able to get a little more time so I could pay the ticket off and get my license at the same time.
Mr. Grimes, you don't, I must have got you mixed up. I must have got you mixed up with your son the last time, because you don't, there's nothing down here that'll affect you from getting your license. You need to probably, I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions, but.
No, sir.
So you seem to be eligible for a license. You need to go to the Secretary of State and try to get a license.
Okay, sir. Okay, Your Honor, is it possible that I could have some time to do so because I'm on a fixed income?
Well, all right. You got till August the 19th.
Ooh. Okay. Now, August the 19th, by August the 19th, I can pay the ticket off because that's what I plan on doing on the 1st.
Why don't you speak with the lawyer?
Huh?
Why don't you speak with the lawyer? She knows this stuff like the back of her hand. She can give you some good advice. I'm pretty sure. All right, Mr. Grimes?
I don't mind. I need that. I need some advice. Yes.
All right. Join the room. Speak to Miss Cameron. Do you understand what's going on, Miss Cameron? He's got, I don't see anything here that's affecting him from getting his license. I don't see anything here that's affecting him from getting his license.
I want my license too.
I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, Mr. Grimes. Mrs. Cameron's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Mr. Marquise Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail themselves of the current offer of the people to enter pleas to failure to display for the license charge and plead to the
Why, and Mr. Gray,
Yes.
you want to take this $240 fine?
Yeah, and then I'd be able to get my license after, right?
No. Why don't you go pay this $336?
Yeah.
And I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but this $336 would give you a clearance here. And then you can come back and potentially bring yourself a valid license.
Okay.
You want to take that? You want to come back on the 19th and see if you can bring yourself a valid license?
Yes.
Now pay this $336. Now you're still going to owe those other civil infractions. So don't say that that's all you had to pay. But that $336 should give you clearances here. Pay that $336. Go to the Secretary of State. See if you can get a valid license. If they don't give you a license, then ask them for a printout. They'll tell you everything that you need to do to get a license, all right?
Okay.
I'm set a trial date for August 19th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Janice, Outerbury, Green.
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Good morning. Give me the correct pronunciation of your last name, please.
Good morning. It's Ortbring.
Ortbring, I'm sorry. City of Detroit versus Janice Marie Ortbring, case number SP 173-11291, SP 173-12391. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Ortgreen.
Janice Marie Ortbring.
All right, today is the date and time set for an arraignment, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Ortbring, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
All right, join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Attorney Mansour, are you there?
I am, Your Honor. We are ready whenever you are.
Who's your client?
Yes, it's Brendan Lonecker.
Lonecker?
Yes, Your
Honor.
City of Detroit versus Brendan Lonecker, case number SP 164-63021. Appearance to the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. This is Matthew Mansour, P number 86799, on behalf of Mr. Brendan Lonecker, who appears via Zoom. Mr. Lonecker, can you please state your name for the judge?
Brendan.
Thank you. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for a pre-trial. We have a resolution on this matter. Whenever you're ready, I can place it on the record.
All right, what is the deal?
Your Honor, Mr. Lonecker has agreed to plead guilty as charged to the trespass under a 6-month deferred or delayed sentence. We have an agreement for non-reporting probation and also an agreement to a no-go to at MGM Casino.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days of jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your attorney, Mr. Mansour, has gone over your advice or rights at some point during the pendency of this case, has he not?
Yeah.
All right, have to mute yourself. Somebody's gonna have to mute themselves. Have you gone over your advice or rights, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to May 18th, 2025, about 4:43 a.m. in the city of Detroit, where it was back in 10 round. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's over there, sir? What is over there?
Over for on my end?
No, what's at that area? Where were you?
Oh, I was at MGM in Detroit.
Okay, and
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Something's not muted, and it's very hard for me to hear.
Can you hear me now?
I can now.
All right, and were you not supposed to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, Your Honor, I was not supposed to.
And why is that?
Well, I had gone into MGM and I had gotten escorted out, and I decided to come back to the casino again.
Okay. Are you satisfied, counselor?
Defense is satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
The court is satisfied. There's a 6 month. I'm going to fine you $240, sir, and I'll review it in 6 months. You need to pay it at any did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that, did that app to your phone. And you need to do not get in any trouble like this again. Because if you do, then that delay will go away and this will remain on your record. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back January the 25th, 2026.
January 26th.
January the 26th, 2026. Van Vinny did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that, did that app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Luck to you and Counselor. Make sure you tell Missy Carey and all those people over at the Washington County Public Defender's Office I said hi.
Your Honor, I will. It was a pleasure to be in front of you. Thank you again.
Thank you so much.
Your Honor?
Yes.
I can't find defendant Ort Green on the docket.
On the last 835 arraignment, the last name on the third page on my docket.
Okay, my last name is O'Quinn and male.
Yeah, this is a ORB disregard. This is a disregard a red signal. Let me see what the ticket says. ORB operator failure to obey officer signal, request to stop, and then a disregard a red signal. I don't know what that means because they say she's driving a 2016 Lincoln. I don't know. That's what it says on the ticket.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You want a copy of it? We can get you a copy of it if you need it.
I would like a copy, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lyons. Ms. Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is a dismissal for providing valid documentation.
Yes, please, Your Honor. We'll skip the probable cause.
With that, Ms. Lyons, I'm going to dismiss the case. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge. You have a great day as well.
Thank you so much. Michael Gardner, you were supposed to be here yesterday and you kept zooming in and you followed on.
Yes, I'm here.
Pardon me?
Yes, I'm here.
I know you were supposed to be here yesterday. What happened? Why didn't you stay in?
Something was wrong with my phone. It wasn't staying connected for some reason.
What's your middle name?
Dwayne.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Michael Dwayne Gardner, case numbers SP 172677761, SP 172677771, and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Gardner, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir.
Michael Gardner.
All right, today is the date and time set for I believe it's set for a retrial. Mr. Zoranic, give Mr. Gardner an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Gardner, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Zoranic. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Judge, can you give me the charges? Because I don't have them on the docket.
I have a defective equipment, a no insurance misdemeanor, and improper equipment.
Okay, thank you.
Now, let's pass the matter. Are we ready on crimes?
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
Now,
That's
let's go
because you
back
disconnected Bluetooth.
That's the only way I can get in.
Hold on, Giles, you have to mute yourself. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Grimes. Mr. Grimes, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel is if he's trying to get he's on a failure to display and a limited access.
That's correct.
All right, you're trying to get a license, right?
Yes, sir.
So why doesn't he just go set it for trial, go get your license and come back?
Okay, I could do that. I don't have no, but I don't know how much I don't know how much I own tickets.
I asked if you have any tickets in the other jurisdictions.
No, I don't have no tickets in no other jurisdiction. I thought I had a ticket still left in Detroit that I had to pay.
I don't see anything, sir. I told you that already.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Then I could go try to go get it. I could do that ASAP. I don't have no problem with that, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Gardner, Ms. Cameron, I'm gonna set them a trial date for August 19th at 9 a.m., all right?
That's fine, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, Your Honor. Excuse me, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Okay, now I know. Okay, now I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna set income, right? Okay, I know I'm gonna be able to pay for my reinstatement fee and all that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like limited on funds. So I might need a little more time, if possible. If maybe September 1st.
You're about to get into a thing where you are gonna owe for $365 or $375 just now. And I don't know what it needs.
Your Honor, I'm gonna leave it alone and do what you asked. I'm gonna go try to get my license.
Go get it done. Go get it done. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go get it done. Come back on August 19th with a license, sir.
August 18th, right?
19th. I'm sorry, you got an extra day.
19th. Okay, August 19th.
All right.
All right. What time?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
All right. Thank you, Jesus.
Joshua, regular.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Give me a quick pronunciation of your last name, please. I should know it by now.
You say what?
I should know it by now. Give me the correct pronunciation of your last name.
Joshua LeGreer.
LeGreer. That officer Sexton, he's missed the bus for the defendant that he has, Miss. This is the city of Detroit. Versus Joshua LeGreer. Look at this. You got some new tickets, sir?
Nope.
Let me see your face. You got some new tickets. You got some new tickets. Didn't I tell you last time, if you got some new tickets, you're going to jail?
No, you just told me you don't get no more tickets. You ain't say nothing about no jail.
Yeah, it's time for you. The city of Detroit versus Joshua Dion Legular, case number SP 036200, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1046059, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1068516, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1076293, count 1, SP 1095097, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1114264, count 1, SP 113442111, SP 11346. 4, counts 2 and counts 3. SB 1166681, count 1 and count 2. SB 1170139, SB 1188818, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1219311, SB 1224637. SB 1278002, SB 1339425, 1 and counts 2. SB 1345603, counts 2 and counts 3. SB 1368532.
Director Bobby Miller credits Vincent with finding folks who are too ill or physically unable to pick up the free food dumps.
Gardner, turn your phone, your TV off or something, Gardner.
I muted it.
All right. SB 1368531, SB 1391064, SB 1401551, SB 1470392, SB 1480471, SB 1480713, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1484481, counts 1 and counts 2, and count 3. SB 1019162, SB 1523937, 1, SB 1612419, 1, SB 1613606, 1, SB 1645590, SB 1680061, SB 1725997, counts 1, counts 2, SB 157, SB 1754043, 1, SB 1754051, SB 1755819, SB 1755826, 18436929, 20397370, counts 1, 2, and 3. 20397371, appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. LeGreer.
Mr. LeGreer. Look at him. State your name for the record. Now, you know something, I'm gonna pass the matter. It's time we start protecting the community from people like you. All right? Come on down to the courthouse on Monday morning. That's what your next court date is gonna be, in person. All right? At 8:30.
Okay.
July the 28th, 25 at 8:30. Best of luck to you.
Bien, David. Sí, cuando gustes.
All right, Maria Lenore.
Si yo abro esa llamada y lo primero que me estás enseñando es...
All right, Mr. Apple, are you there?
I got that.
Mr. Boppel, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Let me start Miss Cameron off, and then I'm going to get Miss Gutierrez out of here. City of Detroit versus Mariah Lenore, case number U714333125. Appearance for the record, please.
Parece que todos están con la verga afuera, entonces...
Who's got the background noise?
It's another Hispanic. Por favor, apague su micrófono.
Unmuted is Fray David Lopez's device, Your Honor.
All right. Go ahead, Ms. Cameron, I'm appearing for the record on Ms. Mariah Lenore.
Yeah, Melinda Cameron, appearing on behalf of Ms. Lenore.
Lenore, state your name for the record, please. Ms. Lenore?
Está bien.
She's not here. All right, let's pass it. All right, Mr. Bommel, can you state your name for the record, please, and your, can you state your name for the record, please?
My name is Frank Boppel.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth? Strike that. Do you swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jeannie Gutierrez. Anita, case number SP 171-63691. State your name for the, please.
Este es el caso de la gente de Detroit contra Jenny Gutiérrez Piñera. El número de caso SP 171-63691. Diga su nombre para el acta, por favor.
Jenny Gutiérrez.
All right, ma'am. Today, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a review. You were supposed to do 12 hours of community service. I don't see that you've completed 12 hours of community service.
Buenos días, señora. Hoy era una repasada de su caso. Usted debería haber hecho 12 horas de servicio a la comunidad. Yo no veo que lo ha cumplido.
Sí, sí lo hice y tengo fotos del papel que me dieron.
Yeah, I did it, and I have a picture of the completion certificate.
Let's see what you have, ma'am.
Muéstrame lo que tiene.
Okay. Permítame, no sé cómo mostrarlo. ¿Sí me explica más o menos?
Yeah, I don't know if how to show it. I don't know if I explain myself correctly.
Who did you complete it with?
¿Con quién hizo el servicio a la comunidad?
Lo hice en el Parque de la Clar.
En la Clare Park.
Okay, with Southwest Detroit.
Con Southwest Detroit.
Sí, con Carmencita es la que me estuvo ayudando en eso.
Carmencita was the one that assisted me with this.
Let me reach out to Ms. Quintero and see if she can verify that. And give me a few minutes.
Okay, voy a ver si ella lo puede verificar para mí. Deme unos minutos.
Okay, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we'll pass it when I get that response. Anybody else need a Spanish interpreter?
Vamos a pasar este asunto hasta que tenga la respuesta. ¿Alguien más que necesita un intérprete para español?
Yo.
I do.
What is your name, sir?
¿Cómo se llama usted, señor?
Fray David López Castillo.
Your Honor, I think I was here for him yesterday, so I don't know if he's not on the docket today. I think he was one that dropped off.
Ms. Otterberg was on the docket for yesterday as well. Raul Lopez Castillo, show cause. City of Detroit versus Raul Lopez Castillo, case number SP 169564441.
Caso de Rafael López Castillo, número de caso SP 169564441. Comparecencia para el acta, por favor.
No, un momento para... Me dice que termina en 44441, ¿no?
You said it ends in 441?
Yes. Can I get an attorney to put appearance on the record, please? Is Ms. Cameron?
Un abogado que pueda ir a su comparecencia, señora Cameron.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant, Judge.
Bob Zaranick representando al acusado.
All right. Date and time set, will cause set for show cause purposes of arraignment counsel.
Hoy es el cita para un causa probable y puede dar su comparecencia. ¿Y qué vamos a hacer?
Waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute, Your Honor.
No necesitamos que se lean los cargos formales y no vamos a decir nada.
Well, enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. I want to break out room with him, get him an updated offer. Keep in mind, if he doesn't like the offer, he has an absolute right to a trial.
Que le vamos a poner por no culpable por ahora y $0 de fianza. Le vamos a dar un cuarto privado y ahí le podemos dar una oferta. Y si no quiere aceptar la oferta, tiene todo el derecho de seguir a un juicio en este caso.
Judge, could I have the charge on that one since it's off docket?
¿Puede tener el cargo para este caso?
It was just a misdemeanor, no insurance.
Okay,
No
thank
seguro
you.
de carro. Gracias. Acepte la invitación, por favor.
I'm trying, okay, here he is. All right, let's pass the matter. Okay, Ms. Cameron, are you there?
Hey, Judge Perkins, good morning.
Good morning, Chief.
Hey, is there any way I can get put in the breakout room with the prosecutor?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Cameron, are you there? Okay, who's ready?
Judge, I'm ready on Alexis Green.
Ready on Ms. Green.
And also ready on Latoya Gibson Mullins.
All right, Alexis Green. City of Detroit versus Alexis Green, case number SP, strike that, case number U71335425 and U66175023. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Repeat 0132 for the defendant. Ms. Green, your name, please.
Alexis Green.
Judge, we're just looking for a bench trial date.
All right. One team, Ms. Green. I'm going to give you a trial date for August the 19th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
Judge, I'm set to be in a jury on August the 19th. Is there any chance it could be August the 20th?
No, 21st. August 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Your Honor.
Anybody else, Mr. Dupree?
That's it for me today, Judge. Have a good one.
Very well, Mr. Ogletree.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who's your client again?
Yes, Latoya Gibson Mullins.
Good morning, Ms. Gibson Mullins.
Good morning, Your Honor.
That was a dismissal, right?
Yes.
No, it's not a dismissal, it's a plea.
Well, it's a dismissal because the officer mentioned that they didn't have any recollection, correct?
That's correct.
Oh, let me go back to talk to the prosecutor. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Mr. Berry?
Ready as to Ms. Ortbring, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record, Ms. Ortbring. Ms. Ortbring, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial date and the appointment of counsel. Her contact information is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you a pretrial date of August the 15th, 2025. That date is set so that that counsel will have time to contact you. If that counsel doesn't contact you by that date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Thank you.
734-433-1311 is the best number to reach you.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to ask you to answer the call if you don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If that appointed attorney, I've already said that. Come back on August the 15th. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. That's what you okay?
Your Honor, do we have a time that I
8:30, I'm sorry.
8:30. Thank you.
All right. Let's go with we don't see Jose Green here anymore, right? Yeah, he's here. He's not responding.
Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Jose Angel Green, case number SP 1715829, comes when it comes to SP 1717230, comes when it comes to appear for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Green.
Jose Angel Green.
Your Honor, for purposes of arrangement, my client would stand mute.
You are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, Mr. Berry is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, please. Mr. Baughman, are you here? Who are you here for, Mr.?
Good morning, Your Honor. I was sent by Judge Carter for an appointment. I didn't get the name.
Guthridge. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Guthridge, right?
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning again.
He's thinking with that.
Are we ready on anyone? Mr. Zaranick, are you ready?
We're ready, Your Honor, again.
All right.
Your Honor, I'm.
Let's go to the city of Detroit. You fell off, Ms. Cameron?
No, I was, I'm looking for another client to speak with.
City of Detroit versus Latoya Latrice Gibson Mullen, case number SP 1694767, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for record, please.
Aaron, I want you on behalf of Miss Latoya Gibson Mullins. Can you state your full name?
Yes, Latoya Latrice Gibson Mullen.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date time set for a trial. Officer Pickens did appear. He indicated that he had no recollection, Counselor.
Respectful request of dismissal. I've also spoke to the prosecutors. My understanding that they had no objection.
All right, very well. Fine, we'll get dismissed the case, Ms. Gibson Mullins. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much. You too.
Thanks.
All right, Eric Gibbs. Is Eric Gibbs here? You have to press *6 to unmute yourself, sir. Eric Gibbs, press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
Yes, sir.
You there? This is the city of, good morning to you, sir. This is the city of Detroit versus Eric Dwayne Gibbs, case number SP 1727131, SP 1732460, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance, please, Ms. Cameron.
Yep. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, state your name for the record.
Eric Gibbs.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. Is one set for a pre-trial. You got some other tickets, Ms. Cameron. We'll treat it like a one-stop shop and consolidate the matters. There's a no insurance misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled, and a driver while unlicensed, along with the improper license improper. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'm going to give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gibbs, Mr. Cameron's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay. All right.
Miss Lane, turn your camera off until they call your name, okay?
Who is Miss Lane?
Okay.
What's she doing?
She just need to turn the camera off.
Join the room. He's in there. Let's pass the matter. All right, we're waiting on an attorney.
Judge, are you, Mr. White is here on behalf of Mr. George. We're ready to go if you are.
All right, good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning,
George.
Judge.
I was looking for you in the queue. I didn't see you. I'm sorry.
Would that be me, Bill?
No, not you, ma'am. Good morning to you. What on the telephone I just let in the room at 313-815-4487. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Yes, good morning, Judge. This is Tyrell Lee.
Tyrell Lee?
Yes.
All right, City of Detroit, good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Mariel George, case number SP 1224603, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 9524141, SP 9524531, V 80562113, Z 80542121, 1627602001, 18413153, counts 1, 2, in the state of Michigan versus Mariel George, case number SX 2602731. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning again, Your Honor. Dennis Whitey, P79560, on behalf of Mr. Mariel George, who appears by way of Zoom.
Mr. George, state your name for the record, please.
Mario George.
Date and time set what? George, file, please. Trial?
Yes, trial judge.
How has he been doing on how has he been doing on testing?
Great, Judge. He showed up. He's had no positives. He's been in compliance with your order.
Is Ryan Walden here? Officer Walden?
Yeah, Judge, just so you're aware, Officer Walden checked in, Officer Willie Robinson, and then Officer James checked in on that Z ticket for the OWI. No other officers have checked in, and we've worked out a global resolution to everything with the prosecutor.
All right, what is that?
Judge, my client on the Officer Willie Robinson tickets, SP 9524141, and then SP 9524531. My client would plead guilty to the open alcohol driver. He would plead guilty to an amended count of failed to display in lieu of the driving while license not valid, with all remaining counts to be dismissed. Judge, that does include the OWI. The officer did appear for that, but it is a 2016 case. The data master and some of the other evidence is not available, so the people couldn't proceed. So they're dismissing in the interest of justice on that one.
And I am present, Your Honor. Officer Robinson. Good morning.
Sergeant Robinson. Officer James, are you there still? All right, and then you say Officer Walden was here,
He
right?
checked in with the prosecutor as well, Judge.
Okay, and so he's only pleading the 2 and dismissing the rest then?
That is correct. It's his lucky day.
Very lucky. I don't have to ask, do you want to take that deal, do I, Mr. George?
No, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Put your hand down. I will tell you this, Mr. George, with all these alcohol-related violations, next time you come in here, if there's another alcohol violation that you plead to, where you're found guilty of, you're gonna have some problems, all right?
Yes, Your Honor. I won't be back. I know that.
That's what you say. That's what you say. But the actions speak louder than words, and time will tell. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail?
Yes.
And $45 in fines?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Whitey, one of your other advisor raised at some point during the pendency of this case, did he not?
I can hear you. It's real light. paper. I did a lot of paper noise.
Whitey, at some point during the pendency of this case, went over your other advice and rights. Did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yeah.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, that's a straight up open alcohol and motor vehicle driver, Mr. Whitey?
That is correct, Judge. Straight up.
Let me draw your attention back to November 27, 2018, around 3:34 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of Gratiot and Maxwell. Did you have an occasion on that date to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I was working on getting my license at the time.
Didn't have a license, correct?
Correct.
Find him guilty of the amended count of
Should they fail to display?
I mean, sorry, find him guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Did you have some alcohol in that car around at that time, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you in the you were driving that vehicle, weren't you?
Right.
And what kind of alcohol did you have?
I believe it was some cognac. I'm not for sure. It was so long ago.
But you know it was alcohol, and the alcohol was open?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it was some in the container, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Judge.
Yeah, I find him guilty of the, as charged, the open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. $240 will be the fine. Stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm waiving warrant fees. You're gonna have to pay the reinstatement fees as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 reinstatement fees at $45 a piece. I'm just concerned about the 240 and the 240. When can you pay?
Can I have 30 days to pay the, you say 240 and 240?
Yes.
Yes, can I have 30 days, please?
All right, I'll give you 30 days to pay it. 8/25, I shouldn't give you 30 days to pay it with all of this stuff, but I'll give you 30 days, August the 25th, pay it at any DIV kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DIV app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, I hope you are serious about not rolling down this path again.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, all right? Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You have anybody else?
Nope, I do not have anybody else. Have a good one. Slow day for me.
I'm sorry. Mr. Gonzalez, do not unmute. Just listen to me. Remove the hat and act like you're in court. Stop playing in the camera.
What's going on with, who are we ready on?
Ready on Gibbs.
Let's go back
I'm
on.
here.
Let's go back on the record. Mr. Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Gibbs is going to plead to reduce charge of failure to display on the matter that's on today's court's docket. The other 3 tickets will be dismissed. We'll stipulate probable cause. That's pursuant to Ms. Schneider's recommendation.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gibbs?
Say that one more time.
You want to take the deal?
Oh, yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yep.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Cameron went over your other advice or rights and breakout room, did she not? Did Ms. Cameron go over all your other rights in the breakout room, sir? Did he fall off? He fell off.
Me?
Did Ms. Cameron go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room?
Oh, yes, yes.
And did you understand those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
Nope. Nope.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Say that one more time?
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yeah. Yeah.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 15th, 2025, around 7:51 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Atwater and Brevard. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Say that one more time?
On May the 15th, 2025, around 7:51 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Atwater and Brevard. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
I think so. I think, yeah.
But do you know or not?
I really don't know.
Well, why are you
'Cause I
saying
forgot.
yes if you don't know?
You're right.
You don't recall being pulled over on May the 16th?
I just
Listen to
I
me.
just forgot the date. Oh, okay.
In a 2013 Ford black in color on May the 15th, 2025, around 7:51 at Atwater and Brevard?
Yes, sir.
Do you recall that?
Yeah, I recall.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes, sir.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
Nope. Nope.
Why is that?
Oh, I didn't have a driver's license at that time. Well, still don't. Didn't have a valid driver's license.
All right. I'm finding him guilty of the amended count of failure to display, which stipulates the probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor. Thank you.
$240, sir. When can you pay it?
Can I get like 3 weeks?
I'll give him 30 days. August the 25th, pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can take to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right, have a good one.
You too. This is the city of Detroit versus Davion London. Case numbers SP 1175912, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1662226, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Melinda Cameron, attorney on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. London, can you unmute yourself, please, and state your name?
Yes, I can. Devon London.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
Thank you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. I'm also called State of Michigan versus Devon London, case number SX 367544102. For the purposes of show cause.
Judge, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. London. We ask that the show causes be set aside based on his appearance here today.
I'll enter not guilty, put your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. London, I don't have any issue if the city attorney doesn't have any issue allowing Mr. London to be to set aside these two defaults, a no insurance proof. He owes $336. If it's that would give him a clearance here. If they set it aside, I'll allow him to pay the reinstatement fee up front, $45. Expired plate. Give Mr. London an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. So those are the two matters that I called that are on the docket. It's no insurance proof and expired plate. If it's nothing, Mr. London, I'll put you in the breakout room with Ms. Cameron. Let us know what you want to do when you come. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Ready, yes, Mr. Green, Your Honor.
Join the room. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jose Angel Green. Mr. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date, so you might return with documents.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Green?
Yes, Your Honor.
Come back on the 19th of August, sir, at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you. You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. This Lane, Shanika Lane. Paul. She's there. I'll give you the prop.
I'm here.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Shamika Lane, case number SP 1716671, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1752208, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1752223, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1752227, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lane.
Shamika Lane.
Good morning to you, Ms. Lane. Today is the date and time. A couple of these matters are set for trial, and then we have an arraignment on the other matters. So is Corporal Rule here? What? Corporal Rule, can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please? He's here in the room. Mr. Berry, we have 2 of these matters set for trial. The other matters are set for an arraignment. Ms. Lane, we'll just arraign you on these now, and we'll get you, see if we can get you a consolidated offer if you want, or you can take the deal today and come back on another day if you want, or you can hold a trial today on these 2 and come back on another day on the other ones. Mr. Berry will explain things to you, Ms. Lane. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
No, the other charges, Your Honor.
Oh, the other charges are improper display of plate, defective brake lights, defective equipment, a defective windshield, but 3 counts of failure to secure passenger, and a no insurance misdemeanor and drove while unlicensed. So defective plate, defective brake, interrupt display of plate, defective brake light, defective windshield, bumper, or fender, 3 counts of failure to secure passenger, no insurance misdemeanor, and drove while unlicensed. Let's pass the matter. Are we ready on Guthridge?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right. Where's Guthridge file? Oh, let's go back on the record with Mr. Guthridge. Mr. Guthridge, Mr. Baughman, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Guthridge?
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Guthridge, state your full name.
Terrence Edward Guthridge Jr.
Thank you. Judge, we asked for a bench trial date by Zoom.
All right, now this time, Mr. Guthridge, if the officers need to appear. If they don't appear, your client's gonna make a motion. And if they do appear, then they'll get you an update, an updated offer, all right?
All right.
Or you have an opportunity to make them prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt if you want to trial. Mr. Guthridge, the next court date is going to be August 19, 2025 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Can you say that time one more time?
9 a.m. at August 19.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Mr. Boffman.
You're welcome. Have a great day, everybody.
Mr. Good.
Bye.
All right. All right. Are we ready on Mr. London? Let's go back on the record with Mr. London. Mr. London, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Judge, this is a show cause hearing today. We're asking that the show cause be set aside based on his appearance, and we're going to ask for a pretrial date so he can get his documents together.
All right, I'll give you a pretrial date of August the 15th, 2025 at 8:30. If there's nothing further, Mr. London, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, you too. Do I do the Zoom call or come in?
It's up to you. It's like Burger King, sir. You have it your way.
Okay. Thank you. Y'all have a beautiful day, okay? All right, thanks.
I know it's corny, Mr. Romney, but that's all I got.
Can you say that date one more time?
Date is going to be August 2025 at 8:30.
8:30. Okay.
Yes. Antonio Gonzalez. All right, take it easy.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
This is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Gonzalez Jr., case number SP 171-90691. Is that Ms. Cameron? Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez.
Gonzalez, state your name for the record, please.
Antonio Gonzalez Jr.
All right, Officer Ossie. Where is he? Ms. Snyder. Oh, he's in the breakout room with Ms. Snyder. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Ossie is here. Mr. Cameron, go ahead and see if you can work this out for Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, join the breakout room. Ms. Cameron's gonna come in there and see you, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. Lindsay, LaMonica Lindsay.
Hello, Your Honor.
You went and talked on your own behalf, didn't you?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
You went in there and talked on your own behalf, didn't you?
She pulled me into a breakout room, yes, Your Honor.
Who was she?
The prosecutor.
That was me, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I talked to her issuing officer on the phone. He confirmed that she has good insurance. It's a dismissal for compliance.
This is the city of Detroit versus LaMonica Lindsay, case number SB 171-78461. State your name for the record, please.
LaMonica Lindsay.
All right, there's date and time set for trial. I will note that Officer Risky had appeared. I will dismiss the case now. Providing documentation. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
Ranick, are we ready? We're waiting on Mr. Bopple.
Yes, Judge. He had one other thing to take care of.
What about Gardner?
We could do Michael Gardner.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Gardner. Mr. Gardner, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Where's Michael Gardner? I'll wait for Gardner. What does he want? What does he want? A bench trial date, Gardner?
Yes, sir.
That would be Michael Wayne Gardner, correct?
Yes.
Correct, Your Honor. He was off docket.
So we're talking about, we're only talking about the three matters, right?
Right.
Trial 8/19/2025, Mr. Gardner. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Is Mr. Bopple ready? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Castillo. Case, I'm giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
López
Judge,
Castillo le
this
dio
would
oportunidad
be
de hablar con su cliente. ¿Qué quiere hacer su cliente?
a dismissal for valid documentation, Your Honor. We'll step to probable cause.
Este caso va a ser desestimado por documentos válidos y estamos estipulando a causa probable.
Okay.
All right, case dismissed, sir, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Sus cargos están desestimados y por documentación válida. Si no hay más nada, ya se puede desconectar.
Okay. Muchas gracias, amigo.
Thank you very much, friend.
All right, I'm still waiting on Gutierrez's response from the city of Southwest Detroit. Give me a few minutes. I'm gonna see. Officer Sexton, I have to tell you, you're more than welcome to stay, but the case, you came in after the cutoff period of 9:30. All right, let's go with Amber Lee. Where's Miss Amber Lee?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am. Can you give me the correct pronunciation of your last name?
Yes, Lee Tremue.
Tremue, okay. Right to you. City of Detroit versus Amber Jean Lee Tremune. Case number SP 172-75251. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranek for the defendant, Your Honor. Please state your name, ma'am.
Amber Lee Tremieux.
Okay, Ms. Tremune, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Let me ask you, do you have a valid license?
Yes, I do.
Television is that. Ms. Lane, you have to mute your television, please. If the license is valid, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation now. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You as well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, have a great day.
Excuse me, sir.
Who said that?
Officer Benson? Yes, I was here for Annie Mae for a formal hearing. I was just wondering if she ever checked in.
Who is that? Annie Mae?
Annie Mae for a formal hearing.
I don't see it, Annie Mae.
It was today at 9. It was for walking in the street where sidewalks were provided.
Oh, Annie Gray.
Yes.
Annie Mae Gray.
Yes.
I don't think it ever showed. Annie Mae Gray? Annie Mae Gray ever show? So, Officer Benton, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Is not here. You're free to leave, Officer Benton. Be safe.
Okay, thank you, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus, I had a, that's not a Brittany, that's not a Brianna Lindsay. Wait a minute. I'm looking for Brianna Lindsay. Let's see, I think I spelled it. Brianna Lindsay is supposed to be in.
I'm here. Brianna Lindsay is here. Can you hear me?
Oh, it's another Brianna Lindsay. Oh, that's all right. Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Brianna Lindsay, case number SP. May strike that 227-434-77. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranek for Miss Lindsay. Please state your name, ma'am.
Brianna Lindsay.
You need to turn your camera on, ma'am. Day time set for rain on. Yeah, all right, good morning. Day time set for rain on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Judge, as to the arraignment, we're asking that the warrants be set aside. We waive any formal reading. Stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lindsay, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Zaranek. He's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gonzalez Jr. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client's going to plead.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Gonzalez is going to plead to open alcohol passenger. The understanding will be taken on a 6-month delayed sentencing.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
And do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Cameron went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
We draw your attention back to May the 2nd, 2025, around 6:11 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Lansing and Burner Highway. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
No. No, Your Honor.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have some alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what did you have?
A tall boy of Modelo.
A Modelo. Was it something in the can?
Yeah.
Was the can open?
Yes, Your Honor.
You satisfied, Counselor?
I am, Judge.
We're satisfied. Finding guilty as amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. I'll take it under a 6-month delayed sentence. Don't get you in trouble like this and you pay this $240. Come back on the fine is going to be $240. January 26, 2026 at 8:25. Then we'll dismiss the case. You can pay the ticket at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I'm told you can upload the DivDac app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's something further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
At City of Detroit versus Jackie Ramona Good, number SP 17278741. Please.
Yes, we'll let the camera appear on behalf of Ms. Good.
Ms. Good, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Jackie Good.
Jackie Good, okay. Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, Miss Cameron, I'm sorry. Get Miss Good an updated offer. Did you ask for an appointed attorney last time?
Yeah, she said that and pulling up the camera footage.
Yeah, we might need to get her an attorney on the spot. Yes, get her an attorney. Let's pass this matter. No attorney contacted you, huh?
No, unless they call from a number that I didn't know.
Okay. Well, yeah, that's why I asked you to answer the calls you don't recognize, because that attorney probably, we're gonna get one in here on the spot, Miss Good. Give me a minute, okay?
Okay.
All right, Dion Larkins. You're not supposed to be here until August the 12th. Dion Larkins. He's got his hand raised. All right, let's move on.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, you're here.
Yep, I've been waiting for an hour and a half.
I don't know why. I don't know what you're waiting on.
Well, Your Honor, if you remember, you said my court date was the 25th, and I was on the call at the 21st just to make sure. So I was just making sure I didn't have a date today. That's all.
It's August 12th, 2025 at 9 a.m.
I understand that, Your Honor, but I had to make sure because I didn't want to have a capias out on me. Okay.
August 12th, Mr. Good. Have a great day.
You too.
Have a great day. All right, is that Gordon? Is that DeQuan Gordon on the phone at 313-675-7441? Press *6 to unmute yourself, sir. Is DeQuan Gordon there? Is that DeQuan Gordon,
yes,
sir?
Yes.
So you said DeQuan, not Juan, right?
No, DeQuan Gordon.
Very good. All right. All right, this is gonna be the city of Detroit versus Daquan Kari Gordon. Case numbers SP 156-31422, SP 161-2737, SP 161-63301, SP 175-4479, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Melinda Cameron, attorney on behalf of Daquan Gordon.
Mr. Gordon, state your name for the record, please.
Daquan Gordon.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Gordon, you missed your court date, your trial date. Now you get another ticket. He owes a no insurance proof. He's got it all the way down to $58. If you pay that $58, then you would be clear here at the 36th District Court to get a license. I don't know what your license looks like in other jurisdictions, but that would give you a clearance here.
Okay, I fell into some hardship with my bills, but I can pay it.
All right, pay that $58. Don't miss another court date, all right?
Your Honor, I'm about to check myself into a treatment center. I'm gonna be gone for like a month.
When are you gonna do that?
I'm supposed to do that today or tomorrow.
Can you go pay that $58 first?
No, I don't have it right now. Not all of it. That's why I said I need at least 45 days.
Can you zoom in from the treatment center?
Beg your pardon?
Can you zoom in from the treatment center?
Can I zoom in?
Yeah, while you're telling me you have court?
Yeah, I can go to court, but I'm saying I'm gonna be in there for like a month and I can't go nowhere.
All right, come back on, I'll set a pretrial date on the 15th of August. Don't miss it. All right?
Okay, what time?
At 8:30.
On August 15th?
At 8:30, yes.
But if I pay the $60, I have my license back?
No, you may have to go, you pay the $60, you may have to go pay it and set a Secretary of State appointment, because I don't think they're just gonna automatically give it to you without you going in there.
So wait to the court date, or?
Well, just come back on the 15th. That's gonna be a pretrial date. You'll have a little bit more time.
Okay, thank you.
Just don't miss it. Best of luck to you in that treatment center, sir. I hope you take it seriously.
I do.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Excuse me, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I have been here since 9, and I just noticed on my picture here it says this DISM, but I don't know if that meant I'm dismissed or.
Hello.
Did you see what you're doing, Ms. Gardner? I'm on the record speaking. I'm on the record. I'm on the record with another defendant, and you're interrupting. Now
I'm sorry. I thought you were done. I'm sorry.
No, I haven't been done yet.
I'm sorry. Okay.
All right. Mr. Gordon.
Yes.
Do you understand what you need to do, sir?
You said make sure I make the court date August 15th, 8:30.
Exactly, and make sure you take that treatment seriously, sir. We need to sober.
Yes, I will.
We need to sober Mr. Daquan Gordon. You understand?
Okay. So just wait to the court date.
Well, then if you can pay it, you can pay it, but if you can't, you're going into treatment center, then we'll have to deal with it.
Out there.
Okay, thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
What do you get for me, Dad?
What did I give?
Miss Garner, you were the last one to zoom in. Everybody has been before you, and I try to take them in the order that they came in. That's the fairest way that I know how to operate. You were the last one. No, you weren't. George was the
Second to
last.
last, right?
Pretty much. All right, we only got a few people left. All right, let's go to City of Giles. Is Kathleen Giles here? City of Detroit versus Kathleen Giles, case number SB 171-0891, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melissa Cameron appearing on behalf of Kathleen Giles.
All right, Ms. Giles, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Kathleen Giles.
All right, today is the date and time set for pre-trial. Thank you, Ms. Ms. Giles, Ms. Cameron's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Anybody? Let's go back on the record. Are you ready, Mr. Babu?
Yes, I am.
Let's go back to the record with Miss Jenny Gutierrez Anita. Miss Anita, I'm going to dismiss the case. I've confirmed done the community service. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Vamos a volver en el acta con el Jenny Gutiérrez Pineda. He verificado que ha hecho el servicio a la comunidad y ya está todo listo y ya puede estimar su cargo y que tenga un buen día.
Muchas gracias igualmente.
Thank you very much, you too.
Hold on, Mr. Bapu, give me 1 second. Is Alejandro, can you unmute yourself, please?
Alejandro, ¿puede poner su micrófono?
Madrigal Gill. Do you need an interpreter, sir?
¿Necesita un intérprete, señor?
No, he said he does not. Mr. Paul, I appreciate you showing up.
Okay.
If it's nothing further, you have a very good weekend and have a very good day. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, you too. Bye.
Alejandro, give me a correct pronunciation of your last name, sir.
Madrigal.
Madrigal. City of Detroit versus Alejandro Madrigal. This is Mr. Zoranic, case number SP 159. Let me see why. Is he on the docket at all?
I don't see him, Judge. I'm trying to look over it again, but I don't see that name.
No, he's not. You just owe money. He has a warrant out for his arrest for this thing. It seems like you just owe money.
Yesterday, what was it? I got the letter on the mail like 3 days ago, and I made a payment yesterday, which was the biggest payment. Like it was like $363, I think it was. That was the biggest one out of the ticket. Top 8 I went off.
City of Detroit versus Alejandro Madrigal, case numbers I think these are civil infractions. I mean, I think these are misdemeanor. Right, how many? Case number SP 1519196 count 1. Let me see if that's a misdemeanor. You can. You're supposed to pay 12 hours of community service. Did you ever do community service?
Yeah, I only did a few hours, but my schedule for work be tight sometimes, so I just decided to be paying.
You don't just make that decision.
I thought I did since I had the letter in the mail.
You don't make that decision. Did you have? I gave you the option to pay.
No, but I had a letter that said otherwise.
I don't know where you got that letter from.
From you guys.
I'm passing. Mr. Phillips, I dismissed Gutierrez. I got confirmation that she did her community.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't know. This Mr. Magic Girl. He has something going on that he's trying to do his own thing. I don't know where he got that from, but maybe you need to talk to him. He was supposed to do community service. He got some more tickets. Let me call this case and I'll say this is the City of Detroit versus Alexis Lim, case number SB 1683821, count 1, and SB 168382221. Appearance for the record, please.
Alexis Lim.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Madrigal.
No, for Alexis Lim.
Oh, I'm sorry, Judge. For Alexis Lim, Your Honor.
All right, Officer Harrington was here. Ms. Lim, can you state your name for the record, please?
Alexis Lim.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Was there an offer, Officer Harrington? Is he here still?
Yeah, let me see what the offer is, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Lim, with Mr. Zoranic. He's gonna take care of it and help you out. All right.
Thank you.
Let's pass the matter.
Ready as for Ms. Lane.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lane. Ms. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display for the driving while unlicensed charge, the failure to yield to be dismissed.
And what about all the other stuff?
As to the other matters, Your Honor, we would seek a pretrial date. She has documents to return with that could mitigate those charges.
Is that going to be a driver's license as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
So why don't you give her a chance to get a valid driver's license then?
That would work if the court is willing.
All right. You're on the cusp of getting a valid driver's license, ma'am?
Yeah, I went to Secretary of State. They told me I have to do the written test, and then I have to wait 30 days for the driving test.
I'm going to give you an opportunity to get your valid license, ma'am. Okay. There's no sense in you paying this $240 and you're soon to get a license. I'd rather see you have a valid driver's license and put that money toward that. So come back pre-trial on all, where's the officer? Corporal Rule, are you there? All right, come back on August the 15th, 2025 for a pre-trial on all the matters, okay? And then at that time, we'll see how far you've gotten with the license, all right?
Well, what time on the 15th?
At 8:30.
Okay.
All right, I wish you the best of luck and good luck on the driving test, okay?
Thank you.
All right, no more tickets.
No, won't.
All right, best of luck to you, Ms. Lane. Have a very good weekend, all right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Rachel Little. Somebody was supposed to be here yesterday. Give me a minute, Ms. Little. Right now on.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
This is the city of Detroit versus Raynell Owens, case number SB 121-711-8, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 171-54701, SB 171-54891, SB 1730936, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1730961, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Owens.
Right now, Edward Owens.
All right, Corporal Rule, are you there?
Yeah, you got it.
Sergeant, Officer Sexton, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
You must not have heard me, Sergeant Sexton. I'm gonna mark you as a peer, and I won't say that there was no officer, but you came in past the cutoff of 9:30.
I was having some technical difficulties signing on today. That's why, sir.
That's all right, I understand. That's why I'm not marking you as I'm not marking the dismissal as no officer. I just mark it as a dismissal, okay?
Okay, I understand. Thank you.
All right, be safe out there, Officer Sexton, and have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Take care.
You too.
Your Honor, you wanted me to unmute?
Yeah, I want you to unmute the last couple. But how you doing, Corporal Rule? State your name for the record, please, and badge number and department, please.
Corporal Rule, badge 3896, Detroit Police.
And who else? And then Officer Banks Davis.
Just for Owens, Your Honor? Let me interrupt.
Yeah, this is for Owens.
Is this a KPS?
No.
No. Oh, he's there, okay. How about Lane, speak to Lane.
You want to speak to the city?
He's asking about Shamika Lane.
Oh, she's coming. She's coming back. I'm going to give her an opportunity to get a license. She says she needs to take the written test.
Oh, okay, that's perfect.
She's already done some things and taken some steps. I tried to see if you had any input on it, but you did not.
Nope.
Unmute.
I did. I didn't know that you were talking about her. I apologize.
I figured you did. All right. So that gets me to
I didn't mean to sidetrack you, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
sorry. Ms. Garner already did, so. I had to, Ms. Garner, I couldn't help it, all right?
We can blame the city. We can blame the city for all the confusion.
There's a whole lot of blame that can go around because after Mr. Whatchamacallit, he had 2-3 pages full of tickets. I was ready for the weekend then. All right. So Mr. Berry, get Miss Owens. Did you put your name on a record for Mr. Owens?
Excuse me, sir.
Get Mr. Owens an updated offer, defective brake lights, insurance misdemeanor, driving license suspended. That's what we're here for. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Owens?
Yes, sir. I have a valid license and I have insurance on my car.
Run it for me, please. All right, go and speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room. Gonna get you an updated offer. Keep in mind today is the date and time set for a trial. Join the room.
Is Officer Davis Banks present?
I haven't seen Officer Davis Banks, and then we let Officer Sexton go because he was late. All right? Pass the matter.
All right. Let's go. Thank you, Your Honor.
Now, Ms. Garner. Wait a minute. I must, is anybody ready?
Yes,
Alexis Lim is ready, Judge. Officers here.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Alexis Lim. Ms. Lim, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Judge, she's in compliance with valid documents. We're moving for dismissal. We'll stip the probable cause.
On case dismissed, Ms. Lim, provide valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
On Captain Giles.
Let's see what, see Garner on the dock. I remember this. This is the city of Detroit. Oh yeah. Versus Beverly Garner. Case number SP 1711697, counts 1, 2, and 3. For the record, please.
Bob Zeranek for the defendant, Your Honor.
Ms. Gertie Garner, can you state your name for the record, please?
Beverly Gertie Garner.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Corporal Baker, are you there? He did appear and was on time. And there is a message. I don't know who put that message there.
I don't know. That's why I asked earlier about. I apologize, Your Honor, for my interruptions. They were not intentional.
No. Well, they were intentional.
Well, no, they were not meant to be interruptions. That's what I mean.
There you go. But you did intend on being heard.
I did.
I don't know who. I don't know. Well, Corporal Rule is gone. I don't have a note here from Miss. Speak to Miss. Schneider in the breakout room and see if she put that note down there.
All right.
All right. Let's pass the matter momentarily. Oh, yeah.
Yes. Do you want to learn how to take this thing?
No. Glimpse. Do you have anyone? Let's go back on the record with let's pass Miss Gertie Garner, and let's go back on the record with Giles. Ms. Giles, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a felony matter that arose out of the same circumstances as the tickets before the court. Ms. Schneider indicated that she would discuss these tickets on entry of a guilty plea on the felony matter. That date is scheduled for August 15th. Frank Murphy, or not Frank Murphy, but Criminal Justice Center. And I'm asking the court to adjourn this matter till after that date.
All right. All right, Ms. Giles, August 19th, 2025 is a trial date. We'll hopefully you get that resolved and favorable to you, okay?
Thank you. Yes.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Ma'am, please get a copy of your plea form from your attorney so that you can send it into the court on the next court date.
Okay. Could I just drop it off that day?
No, just you could just send it, take a picture of it and send it that day. We're in court.
Okay. Thank you.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. August the 19th at 9 a.m.
You both have a blessed day. Bye.
You have a better one, thank you. Miss Cameron, this is the city of Detroit versus Sherelle George, case number SB 1722061, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. George. Ms. George, state your name for the record.
Sherelle George.
Say that again.
Sherelle George.
Sherelle George, I'm sorry, ma'am. Good morning to you. Ms. George wasn't even the last person. Mr. Lee is the last person, but Ms. George was second to last. Ms. George, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Speak to Ms. Cameron in the breakout room. She's going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Judge, we're ready on that Gertie Garner matter.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gertie Garner. Ms. Gertie Garner did not put that up there herself, huh, Mr. Zoran?
I guess not, Judge.
So what's the outcome? Dismissal?
I did talk to the city attorney. The officer did appear, Judge, and they both decided for dismissal. We'll stick the probable cause, lack of recollection.
I know Ms. Gertie Garner, as she's been around, did not litter up her own city. I know that. She said she didn't. But
yeah,
Ms. Gertie Garner, I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good day. Case is dismissed, all right?
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor. And you have a very good weekend. Bye-bye.
I will. You as well. Thank you so much. Glimpse, is Glimpse here?
I'm here, sir.
Glimpse, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Demond Derek Glimpse. Case number C 5696931. SP 1667812, counts 1 and counts 2. B1235322. 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 B1235532. B1235522. B1235522. B123555622. B123552822. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Glimpse. Please state your name, sir.
Damon Glimpse.
Thank you.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a street trial. Was this one that you needed an appointed attorney as well? No. Give Mr. Glimpse an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Glimpse, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room with Mr. Zaranick. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, join the room, please. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, if the court has confirmed a valid license,
it has.
Then he has shown valid insurance, Your Honor, as well as operative brake lights to his vehicle. And we seek dismissal.
All right. Case dismissed, sir, for providing valid documentation. I'll waive the warrant fee, Mr. Owens. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, sir. You too. Have a blessed day.
Good luck. Thank you. Miss Lenora, are you there?
Have a good day.
Yes.
Miss Lenora, you were in a breakout room all morning, and we tried to. I don't know how you got to that breakout room. You need to. I need an attorney for Miss Lenora. You want me to see? Yeah. Is she? Your attorney never contacted you, Miss Lenora?
I had an attorney call me for this morning, but it was for my son.
Well, what about you?
I don't know.
You were supposed to get an attorney. The attorney never contacted you?
Not that I know of.
All right, give me a few minutes, ma'am. I'm sorry, because I saw you, or I didn't know, I thought you had left. You called your name a long time ago. And then it popped up on the screen when you mentioned that nobody would come in there.
Soroki is our attorney.
Soroki? All right, get Mr. Soroki in here, please. Lee. All right, give me a few minutes, Miss. I apologize. I appreciate your patience, ma'am.
That's okay. You're welcome.
Is that Terrell Lee or Darnell Lee?
Tyrell Lee.
Tyrell Lee. Okay, let's go back to the ones that were not scheduled for today. And that would be starting with, because Tyrell, let me get your Tyrell, Tyrell, Tyrell.
No, it's Tirrelle.
I think you missed your date too. Huh? What time is it for?
Yes.
Huh? I can't hear you. Oh, he's supposed to be, okay, yeah. He's on board today. He didn't pay. City of Detroit versus Tyrell Lee, case number SP 171-23851. Tyrell Lee, state your name for the record, please.
Tyrell Lee.
All right, day is the date time set for a review. Mr. Lee, you were supposed to pay $240.
Okay, all right, no money. Okay, all right, bye-bye.
You never paid.
Yes, it's a financial problem for me, but it's no excuse on the city.
Is this an excuse?
I said it's an excuse for me, but not on the city, as I was saying. I need a little more time.
All right, now how much time? I asked you this last time, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
How much time?
Probably about the 16th of next month. I will most definitely have it in there.
On the 25th. You said the 16th.
Yeah,
It's gotta be here by then.
yes, yeah. It's gonna have to be on the
Yeah, it
16th.
sounds like you're gonna be able to get it on the 25th.
I thought I was, Judge. I'm not. I'm disabled.
Okay.
So
You wanna do some, you wanna do some community service?
I can't. I'm disabled.
You can do community service, sir.
No, I'm telling you, I'm disabled. I can't.
You can talk on the phone, you can answer phones and stuff, can't you?
I
There's
can
all
barely
different
do
kinds
that,
of
really.
community service out there.
I don't know how to do all that stuff. But I want to pay the money.
All right, pay it by the 25th. If there's nothing further.
Of next.
The 25th of August, all right?
Okay, I sure will. I most definitely will do that.
All right, we'll see. What are you gonna most definitely, let me ask, you gonna most definitely pay it or you gonna most definitely come back?
No, I'm most definitely gonna pay it.
Oh, because if you pay it, you don't have to come back.
Okay, I'm almost definitely. You told me last time how to pay it. I'm most definitely gonna pay it.
Sorry, I told you can upload the div that app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Best of luck to you, Mr. Lee. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too. Have a good one. God bless y'all. All right, thank you.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record. Mr. Matt, are we ready? Is anybody waiting to be that hasn't been heard? Let's go back on the record with Ms. George. Ms. George, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Well, Judge, was this a 2016 Chevrolet involved in this incident?
2016 Chevy Red.
Okay. I did see proof of valid insurance and registration for the vehicle. The vehicle is not titled in my client's name. So for those two reasons, I'm asking that the cases be dismissed.
I'm gonna dismiss the case, ma'am. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
You as well.
All right, thank you. Okay, Soroki's here. Mr. Soroki.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Nora has been very patient waiting, and we just discovered that you had been appointed, and she said you two hadn't had any contact. Why don't you go in the breakout room with Miss Lenora and talk to her, and then
That'd be good.
Right.
Thank you.
Join the room, please, Miss Lenora. All right. Let's. Who had Mr. Alejandro Matt Trujillo?
No one really, Your Honor. You indicated is a money situation.
Yeah, it's more than that, though. He has some. You're supposed to do community service, Mr. Mr. Phillips, but he tells me that instead of doing the community service, he just made a decision on his own. Hey. See what these look like. He's got a warrant. He's going to go to his Michael Wagner for that, for the allowing warrant. He had another allowing that he entered into in front of me. And this was supposed to be 12 hours of community service. I need to get his file. I need to get his file to see exactly what we said, what he agreed to do. What about Brianna Lindsay? Who had Brianna Lindsay? I see down there is an improper plate and dismiss.
I had it, Judge.
All right, let's go back
Zoranic.
on the record with Miss Brianna Lindsay. Miss Lindsay, can you unmute yourself, please? Press *6. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's pass that. Let's go back on the record with Glimpse. Mr. Glimpse, I've given you an opportunity. You need an appointed attorney.
Yeah, can I get an SOS on him also, Judge? We can maybe get rid of a couple tickets.
Well, only one.
Do you hear me?
He had an improper license and a no ops.
Yeah, I see. All right, give me a second, Miss Lindsay.
Okay, sorry.
That's all right.
And I chatted over his info for a attorney.
Has a valid license, so I'll dismiss C569-931 and SP-166-78122.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll mark the file need appointed attorney. And I don't see the chat where you put his information.
I sent it over to the courtroom one, Judge. Let me see.
You might want to send it to everyone. I am I don't really know which one I am. Can you send it over again?
He said
Yes.
Formal meeting.
Yeah. No, not to go over to email, chat.
Oh, okay.
Coming up.
All right, I'm not getting it.
I'm still sending it, Judge.
Oh.
Okay, hopefully you have it now.
Yes. You know what you're
right, I have, I'm gonna set you a pre-trial date, Mr. Glenn, for August the 15th, 2025 at 8:30. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. Also have the email address down there. Pre-trial date. On the other matters, I dismissed the ones that you have the license for. If there's nothing further, sir, come back August 5th. If you don't hear from the attorney by that date, we'll get one appointed for you on this. Okay?
August 5th or 15th?
August 15th.
I got you. Thank you.
Best of luck.
Appreciate you.
Thanks for your patience.
You talking to me?
Lindsay,
Why?
Ready, Your Honor.
No, I'm not. I don't work on Fridays. I'm in court.
she's not ready. She's not ready.
Florida.
Brianna Lindsay.
I'm here.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Brianna Lindsay. Miss Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel. What are you gonna do with these tickets, Mr.? What is she gonna do with these tickets?
Judge, she is gonna plead on ticket 4771 to no insurance. That'll be reduced to improper plates, and the other matter will be dismissed.
Is that what you
I don't
want
know
to
if
do,
she's
Miss
on
Lindsay?
two
Yes, sir.
devices.
All right, let's see here. Can you raise your right hand, please? Other right, yeah. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Miss Lindsay, was this your 2016 Chevrolet?
Yes, sir.
All right, Miss Lindsay, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Zoranic went over your other advice rights in the breakout room, did he not?
No. Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to January 28th, 2022. At around 8:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of John R. and Broadway. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes, sir.
And you couldn't do that, could you?
That's correct.
And why is that?
At the time, I didn't have insurance on that car. I no longer have the car.
Do you own a car in your name now, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate, $240 fine, which stipulates the probable cause will dismiss the other matter.
Thank you, Your Honor. We do.
All right. 240, Miss Lindsay, when can you pay it?
You said 240?
Yeah.
I would need maybe 30 to 45 days to pay. I'm currently trying to get my license back,
and I have other tickets that I need to pay as well. Is it possible to be put on a payment plan?
Yeah, I'll mark allow payment plan. I'll give you 30 days to figure it out. Come back on August the 25th at 8:25. Pay it, and then you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the dip that after your phone, or come on down to the courthouse in person and pay it. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Or get into the payment plan before August 25th, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record with, let's call the city of Detroit versus Mariah Lenore, case number U714333125. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Mariah Lenore.
All right, Ms. Lenore, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client's requested a bench trial in this matter.
All right, August the 19th, Ms. Lenore, come back at 9 a.m. I appreciate your patience, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
That's by Zoom, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. At 9 o'clock?
At 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day, everyone. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Little, are you there?
Oh,
It's Rachel Little.
yes, I'm here. You hear me, Your Honor?
I do. Let's get Rachel Little. Is this Rachel Lee Little?
Correct, yes.
This is the city of Detroit versus Rachel Lee Little, case number SP 1709327. SP 1709327 counts 2 and counts 3. SP 1709631 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1709631. Appearance for the record, please.
Bob Zanick for Miss Little, Your Honor.
Ms. Little, state your name for the record, please. All right, and then let's call SB 129333941. That's just about money. Ms. Little, so all these other tickets, Mr. Also call SB 1591298, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Little, you were were you with street court?
She might have frozen, Judge.
She did. Let's pass it. She was with street court. I don't know what happened with that. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Alejandro Madrigal. Mr. Madrigal, you said, I said 100 hours of community service would clear everything up.
Yeah.
And how many hours did you do?
Not that many. I kept going all day on my lunch break to go do community hours. Kept doing like an hour, probably like 7, 6.
That's not very good.
I know. My schedule's really tight, so that's why I decided to pay. The letter came in through the mail, and I was like, all right, I guess.
Well, you still haven't paid much. Have you?
Probably like one ticket, the biggest ticket that's on there.
That's it. What am I supposed to do with this? You tell me.
My plan is to pay it off all.
Yeah, of course, but you only paid one ticket and all this time you were here. It's been over a month.
Like I said, the letter came in like 3 days ago, so that's when I made the payment yesterday.
I don't know what letter you're talking about.
The letter that came into my mail, talking about that I owed. A second. It came with all the tickets that I owed, literally. Right here. Oh shit.
Let me see that again. Yep, collections. They're gonna go after you and garnish your wages and all that stuff. And then we're just gonna add fines to all this stuff. We're not gonna do the community service. So you're not gonna do the community service, are you?
I mean, if I could just pay it off, then yeah. Like I said, my schedule. I said if I could just pay it off, then yeah. But my schedule's kind of tight.
Listen, you talk about your schedule. You're not you're working all that much. You should be making some money, but you only paid one ticket, and your schedule being so tight.
Yeah.
So,
like I said, I already got the letter like 3 days ago, so I'm gonna try to make payments.
No, don't keep talking about the letter. You knew the last time. You knew the last time what you owed when you came in here.
So you want me to do the community hours? I can't pay it off?
You shouldn't be getting the benefit of these allowings if you're not going to do what you agreed to do. We should be taken back to failure to displays. You would do the community service. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the fines at $240 a piece. That's the normal fine. You can pay it off.
Can you repeat that again? I can't hear you.
I'm gonna put the fines at $240 a piece. So that's gonna be for SP 1519196-1, that's gonna be $240. SP 15618-211 is gonna be $240. SP 16252-671 is gonna be $240. SP 1654370-1, $240. SP 1713958-2, $240. That's gonna be the sentence. You don't have
So
to
what's the total running up to for in total?
You figure that out. You go online and figure that out once Ms. Mathis gets it put in. I'm gonna give you 30 more days to figure this out. And if there's nothing further, I'll give you an 825 to figure it out. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
Little was the only one left. No, it's good.
I was asked to represent Ms. Good.
Ready on this good?
I'm here.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Good. Mr. Ogletree, can you put your appearance on for Ms. Good?
Aaron Ogletree, P number 69167 on behalf of Ms. Good.
All right, what's Ms. Good want to do?
I need the opportunity to speak to her.
Oh. Oh, it's an open alcohol and alcohol related violation, consuming alcohol in public. She requested an appointed attorney. So I'll just set a trial date for the 19th of August. And then I'll give you in the breakout room, Ms. Good, with Mr. Ogletree, and he'll give him some time to help you figure this through all right?
I had one question. Is that the only date available that week? Because I have an orthodontist appointment and my son high school orientation that day.
You can't interfere with that, right?
Yeah.
You gotta take care of your teeth and your son. So, well, let's do the 21st, how's that?
That's fine.
21st, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Ogletree so you can get acquainted. If you don't have any other further questions for the court, it'll be August the 21st, 2025 at 9 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Have a good one.
Give a bell. Join the room. Wish Ms. Little would come back.